Hello guys, welcome to my channel Earn with me. So I am going to tell you about a browser called CryptoTab browser which can mine Bitcoin on a high level speed. So actually it was free in January and February. After February, its listing price was 210 rupees, but it was cut down into 55 rupees. So if you want to mine, you could pay 55 rupees and you can mine. So is it legit? Is it uh, is it useful to mine Bitcoin? So I would just show you how. So you could see this is my payment history, guys. So actually, first payment is actually confirmed today. So I started mining before 4 days, I think so. 4 days. My mobile was not. I didn't had an Android mobile for few days, so I stopped mining. So 4 days before I tried to mine on my older version, but it was unable to do. So I thought I should buy this. So within 4 days, I had around 1528 BTC. So as you can see, what is the worth of 1528 BTC? Okay, let's just check. Hmm, the worth of 1528, okay, it is around 45 rupees, guys. So within 4 days, if we could mine 45 rupees, so what, for the lifetime, how much can we mine? This has a period of 3 hours, guys. So I would just show how to mine and all. You need to click on left corner the C symbol, then you would be getting to this page. Now you need to click on this blue crypto tab dashboard. So when you can see that it is mining, and we can see it is in cloud mining. You don't need to open the app and keep the app open for everything. In the previous version, it was you need to open the app to mine, that's it. After in this updated version, it was 2 hours in the previous version. Now it is 3 hours. So if you are really eager to speed up the process, you can speed up the process also. So you could see here 1x. So if you click on that, we can add boost also. So if it is 2x per month, it is 420 rupees. For 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, we can change it. Do you understand it? So it is 158 for 2 months. Sorry, 1 year. 2x boost. So it is very less for 1 year. So if you are really interested, 160 rupees is not a matter, because you could maintain a higher limit. So if I could do 40 rupees in 4 days, you could do in 2 days. That's the main major thing. The speed of the mining could be increased so many times. It could be 2x, 5x, 10x, or 15x. But if it is 2x only, per month, we are getting around 158 rupees. If it is for 1 month, you are taking, it is around 420 rupees. So do not take it for that long, guys. If you are really interested, you could uh, go to 6 months or 12 months if you are interested. So how can we earn through this? So when you are using this browser, you could also refer and earn. So I will show how you could refer and earn. So I have around 11 referrals. uh, so I could use these referrals and I could get commission also. Okay, and this is not only the process, I would be telling you the best unlimited process if you could do it in my way. Okay, if you are installing this browser with my id, so whenever you install this CryptoTab browser and start mining, if you could refer two members who are legit, who can uh, who can add more two members under them. So this is like a chain system. If you are under me, the workers in my total 11 referrals, so you would be getting the income from my 11 people and the two people you add and the people who are below you, who will be adding their persons also. You would be getting commission from every one of them. This is the main extreme thing in this crypto tab browser, which no one could be giving. So do not hesitate to pay 55 rupees, guys. I think 55 rupees is not a big deal in these days. We are spending more than thousands and more than thousands, guys. I could say, I could literally say I have nearly a portfolio of 1 lakh 80,000, which I have withdrawn around 1 lakh. So it's not a big deal. When it is 50 rupees, it could give us around 50 to what do you say, 50k to 1 lakh. If you could do, if you could do two referrals, and you have to refer two people who are legit and who can add people below you, so you need to convince them to add the people. Okay, this is the main criteria, guys. This is the best browser I have seen. So you could see my payment results also. Already it has been completed. So I have, so payment history you can also check, guys. It is completed 1491 1709 in the May itself, February and May. So I was only one. I was only I was only mining. There were no referrals under me, something like that. Only me. But now I have 11 referrals. So after this video, it could go up to 15 or something like that. So if you could add some of the best referrals, so you could also gain some money. This is just a game. You need to mine every 3 hours. In the morning time you could alarm or something like that, and in the night just leave it. While you sleep, just open the browser, see the time. If it is around 30 minutes or something, just leave it away. You can mine in the morning. So it is a we can also close the app. It's not a big deal, because it is a cloud mining. Okay, so thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my channel, and subscribe to my channel. All the tips and tricks will be given in my YouTube channel and my Telegram channel too. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link will be given in the description, and join with my CryptoTab referral link to get some bonus and get my referrals to work for you. Okay, don't miss this opportunity, guys. Thank you so much.